On the tree. So those are guinea. That's a guinea tree, people.
Hello.
Yeah, man. You just pick guineas and eat off this one. It's very good.
Good.
What them say about the car? Them give no kind of good vibe.
Oh, the car?
Yeah.
Well, the car going good.
No, what them say? Them not give no compensation or no say, yo, we'll give the good one for St. Mary or nothing.
Well,
because
today I'm saying I try to get the next one finish up, right?
Yeah.
So basically, hold on, let's see what.
Driving with Everton, my tour guide. This is your first trip.
Banging. You don't know we keep the things straight. Silver here. They're on the Rio Grande right now. And check out them view here.
Look on the water, man. You know.
Come on, they just keep it straight. Anytime you're ready. A recording will come out here about, you know. Good life.
Jamaica Good Life. Right now you have Siva. Change your balance.
See them, you know.
Clip on your suit.
Yeah man, I'm a good man. Can you step off at this any moment? You know what I hear it?
No.
Yeah man, you step off at this.
So the river is kind of low.
It's real low. This time of year, yeah? Dry season, so it drop.
So it takes 3 hours to get down.
Yeah, like now it's like that. When the water is up, it takes like 45 minutes, 40 minutes. When it's about this, really choppy.
Wow. So is this the biggest river in Jamaica?
Well, I think this and the Black River. I think the Black River is more like maybe deeper.
Okay.
The one up. Banging.
Jamaica Good Life. Living in Jamaica in the good life. All I really want now is a good wife. No, see the man captain there. When you guys come to Jamaica, make sure you deal with the captain. Give them a first name.
I'm Pablo.
Pablo.
Yeah.
What's the number?
Number 61. This is my number. In the back there.
Captain 61.
Yeah. And I always got that number.
Always has that number.
Never change.
So ask the Captain Pablo, tell him Jamaica Good Life sent you. And he might give one a discount, you see me? Because I have to keep the business within the locals, right, Captain?
Yeah.
Can't do the privatized thing.
Exactly.
How long you been working on this raft?
29 years.
Oh, so you're really the
I
captain.
started when I was a teenager.
So you're the man of the river.
Yeah. You know there's bands everywhere in this river. Every corner.
Wow. A good life. We're taking a break from the raft. Not a lot of Jamaicans do this. Siva,
Yeah,
let's check
bang.
one of your brethren. Over there, look at the view. Siva, you catch all of this? This is Jamaica Good Life.
Don't live place with no short of water, you have to do. All the water shots, you know, water.
If I want to get married, I have to get married on this, you know. I may have to have the reception on this, too.
Yeah.
See me? I just my mother, my father, my brother, and a brethren.
Yeah.
And the woman, we don't care about fair family. Fair family can stay at the back. That's true. So the whole family have to go fix on this. We have to wait till the water come up. This is where you get married by yo.
When Johnny Depp when I do the pick up pirate I carry them now. Him come on the river too, you know, with the motorboat. 80 of the raft, you know, 160 of people, you know.
Eh?
Yeah man, he used like 20 of them raft at the bar alone. Them triple blast that moon. One day, you know, one day. They was talking about 11 till about 7 that evening. Yeah man. They fit from 37 different countries they did it. Rambo me fucking a repeat the whole heap of star that did it.
Some of them now they have to rent make new rafts.
Yeah man, I hear to you that we guys, you know. Captain, you know. Where we go? One whole day, man.
Jamaica Good Life. Soon when I'm going to be right over that mountain. Soon I'm going to be able to come out from over that sun. Every morning we can take a look at that key on that. Siva, first time?
Yeah, man.
It get deep now. How deep does this get?
Oh, if you want 20 feet over here,
20 feet.
yeah, go try there.
So the locals can go anywhere on the river.
Yeah. If no one starts the local.
Wow. Jamaica Good Life is gonna have one of his first hut in Portland near the Rio Resort, right? What do you call it?
Rio Retreat.
Rio Retreat.
Rio Retreat, him call it.
Yeah. So we're gonna team up with them.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna build a Jamaica Good Life cabin and another part of our tour. We're building about 7 cabins across Jamaica. One set price. Inner tourism. Huh? Wow. Wow. No, this is what you call beauty. So they don't have land around here for sale?
Wow.
Eh?
Yes, but you know, there's no way you can drive to reach it. You have to walk, yeah? So I think minimum we turn it down. I don't want to walk distance to reach the line.
Okay, but they're for sale.
Exactly.
I don't mind walking.
Chaka, chaka. I would have one hit at it. Where you going to do, Wee? You may jump off. Where? I'll go home and walk. Yeah, fence up in, fish in, savage score them. No make them come out. You can just tell me two of them are get trouble.
Nothing didn't need no life vest for this.
Water can't walk in it.
Water can't walk in it. Except the 20 feet. No, the tunnels are little. So no kind of fish or crayfish for Rio Grande?
Yeah man, we have crayfish too. We have mullet, we have snook, we have drummer, we have carp, we have jack, mudfish. We got about like 10, 9 different types now. Fish up to like 10, 12 pounds. All eatable.
Banging.
Oh.
So anytime we up on the river, anything we catch get cooked. Anything dead get cooked. Banging.
Wow, look at it. Make sure you get these sides sometime. Man, this is the kind of thing I want to. Make sure you catch my phone. This is the kind of thing I want to just, you know, stay in the water for a while and drop down my anchor.
Yeah.
So them allow a man to get to make a boat and them things. You know if you have to have a boat license?
No man. You know sometimes we do like the tubers them go down the river, you know. Maybe have
30 tubes with people?
Yeah man. The people in my arms go on the scuba diving place in front of them. Yeah man, every time when they come out, we do 30 tubes now. But them use like 5 rafts.
So in December, this would be a perfect place
Right,
to
when the water is up.
The water is up in December.
Yeah, it's a bit quicker.
So the Rio probably, we would have to book it now.
Yeah,
Because my brother kids are coming, they would love to see this.
yeah man, the water is a bit tough man. Not high, but
You know, we can get an airbed mattress, you know. You know them air mattress
yeah
them?
man, yeah.
I just chewed upon the shot. You don't have to get a boat because it's more expensive. But the bed them, you can't get none of that.
Yeah, man.
You get some tube and you're gone for the whole day. You know.
Vai se pagar, se vai flotar outro. Vai lá, né?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
This is a beautiful thing, you know. Learning something new. Alright, run the rafter. Yeah, bang in. Bang in.
First time. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Is it up front?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Push him off. Push
Same
him
way.
out, push him out, push him out.
Same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, simple. Yeah.
Michael Jordan.
Don't make it go back to your left. Stick on the right, make it go to your left. It's shallow path, yeah? Get me so you can continue to see.
You know, sometimes go make my one raft. Put the bomb bar still.
Yeah.
Why don't you come take the job in a flat?
No.
I'm strong enough. If you get stronger, problem for all down there.
Yeah.
Yes, this is how you coming on.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, see, I'll make sure you feel me.
Yeah, man.
It's deep now, so you have to use it as a oars. Like a paddle, yeah?
Wow.
Paddle with the stick now, use it like oars.
Like this.
Yeah, yeah, same way. Same way.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Same way.
Yeah.
Silver. This is what you call man. Up on the water, man.
Deep.
No bottom. How deep is it?
Deep.
No bottom.
No loose.
You never lead the life vest on this. I'm going like to me up here now. I mustn't go on,
Yeah, man, same way.
No, they're perfect. No.
Oh, but you got my ancestor thing.
You know.
Yeah, man.
You do good?
My move, man.
Yeah.
Real.
Is that current over there, sir?
Yeah.
I'm going deeper.
Stick now.
Take now.
Yeah.
Jordan.
No, man, now you put me. Yeah, I'm going right down there, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man.
First time.
Yeah, man, banging.
Nah, yeah, man. I don't know if you have stick 4 on the rock, not stick 2. Yeah, what is stick? No, next side, stick on next side. Next side. Wide. Again. Again.